Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to create a Flappy Bird game on Scratch. First, open Scratch and select a bird sprite, then give it a suitable starting size, perhaps around 25%. Next, design a simple background with green pipes as obstacles. Position your bird near the left side of the screen, ready to begin its journey. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth start to your game. Now, let's add some physics to our bird. Create a variable called gravity and set it to a negative number, like -1, to make the bird fall. When the space key is pressed, change the bird's vertical position by a positive amount, perhaps 10 to 15 units, to simulate a jump. Experiment with these values to achieve a natural, responsive flight. Next, we'll create the iconic pipes. Duplicate your pipe sprite and have new clones appear from the right edge of the screen. Randomize their vertical positions to create varied gaps for the bird to fly through. Make sure the pipes move consistently from right to left, perhaps at a speed of -5 steps, providing a constant challenge for the player. Finally, let's add game over conditions and scoring. If the bird touches a pipe or the ground, the game should end immediately. Create a score variable that increases by 1 point each time the bird successfully passes a set of pipes. When the game ends, display a clear game over message, letting players know their final score.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.